So you're looking at engineering colleges in the Namakkal area for 2026? Then Gnanamani College of Technology, or GCT, has probably popped up on your list. It's right there in Namakkal, and the TNEA code you'll need is 2624. Let's take a closer look and see what it's all about.
Right off the bat, here's something that really matters to both students and parents: accreditation. Gnanamani College of Technology is NAC accredited with an A grade. That's a pretty strong stamp of approval on their quality from a national-level government body.
On top of that, it's an autonomous institution. Now, why is that a big deal? Well, it means they've got the freedom to design and update their own curriculum, which is absolutely crucial in engineering today. And they do all this while being officially affiliated to the big one, Anna University in Chennai.
Okay, so with those key highlights out of the way, let's dig into the core details. What are the foundational things you need to know about GCT?
Here's a quick summary. GCT is a self-financing, autonomous college, and it's been around since 2006. Like we said, it's affiliated to Anna University. For admissions, you're looking at the TNEA counseling process, with a 65% government quota and 35% management quota split. And yes, it's a co-ed campus, located in Namakkal district.
All right, let's get to the part you're probably most interested in. What can you actually study here? Let's break down the branches and seat counts for the 2026 TNEA admissions.
The college has a pretty wide range of BE and BTech programs. Now, the heavy hitters, artificial intelligence and data science, CSE and ECE, each have 180 seats. Next up, with 120 seats each, are biomedical engineering and IT. Then you have a whole suite of specialized branches like agricultural, biotech, food tech, and even pharmaceutical tech, all with an intake of 60 seats.
So if you add all of that up across all the branches, Gnanamani College of Technology has a total approved intake of 1,140 seats for the upcoming year.
And this is really interesting. It shows you're keeping up with the times. 7 of their 11 branches are what you'd call new age fields, and they've all been introduced since 2018. We're talking about courses like AI and data science and biomedical, the kind of stuff that's in really high demand in the job market right now.
An engineering degree is a huge investment, both in time and money. So what about the return on that investment? Let's talk about career outcomes and placements.
According to the college's data for the 2023-24 batch, the placement rate stands at just over 70%. This gives you a solid idea of the career opportunities right after graduation. So who's hiring from GCT? Well, here's a little taste of the companies that visit. You can see there's a good mix. You've got IT firms like Maverick Systems and Plintron, but you also have core engineering companies like Delphi TVS and Tenneco India. That kind of diversity is great to see.
And it's not just about getting a job right away. GCT also seems to be building a global perspective. They've got international research collaborations with universities in Malaysia and Italy. These kinds of partnerships can open up some really interesting opportunities for students.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the actual student experience. What's campus life like? What about the day-to-day things like where you'll stay and how you'll get there?
For students and parents looking from outside the Namakkal area, this is always a big question. And the answer is yes. The college has separate, dedicated hostel facilities available for both boys and girls on campus.
And getting to campus seems pretty straightforward. The college runs its own fleet of 40 buses, which cover a wide area, including Namakkal, Salem, Erode, Karur, and even Tiruchirappalli. If you're coming by train, the nearest major station is Salem, which is about 27 kilometers away.
And the campus itself is spread out over 22 acres, so there's plenty of space for academics and everything else.
All right, let's take a step back and look at the college's roots, its history, and what kind of financial support is available for students.
So, the story starts back in 2006. The college was established by the Christian Education Development Trust, kicking things off with core branches like CSE and ECE. By 2009, they'd added mechanical. Then, that period between 2018 and 2021 was a real growth spurt, where they brought in all those new, modern programs. You can definitely see a clear path of evolution here.
Now, on the financial aid front, students who are eligible can apply for several government scholarships. This includes schemes for SC/ST, BC, MBC, and DNC communities. There's also the First Graduate Scholarship, which is a huge help for many families, along with central government scholarships for OBC and minority students.
Just a quick heads up. All the information we've shared today is based on what we found on the college's official website and trusted government portals as of March 2026. As you get closer to admission time, it's always a smart move to verify the latest details directly with the college.
So could Gnanamani College of Technology be the right choice for you? Well, that's a decision only you can make. To continue your research and compare more engineering colleges, be sure to visit profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.